Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Today I'm making chicken nuggets, which is a very yummy snacks for the kids to go, and it's very easy to make. The only thing we need to blend, and then there are different stages. I'll be coming one by one. So what we need: a pound of chicken and 1.5 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, which really it smells really good, and I don't want the paste. And we need 1 egg to coat, and salt to taste, and there's 2 slices of bread. So I'll show you how to blend it. It goes straight into the blender. White pepper, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and two slices of bread, and last but not the least, salt. And now we're going to put it. You have to keep doing it until it becomes a big ball and like it's together. So now is the time to take it off. I'm taking this out, and these nuggets, your kids would really love it. As you know, kids always likes nuggets, and especially if it's homemade, you know what's going inside it. It's really healthy and it's good. So what I'll do now, I'm going to wash my hand. You guys also go wash your hand before you do something here. I wash my hand for 20 seconds, which is recommended, and now I have water. So before I make small balls, whatever size and shape you want to give, I put some water here, and this size or whatever size you want, and give it a shape, like if you want round or you like square, flat. It shouldn't be very regular or very typical. It can be and see, I dip in the egg. This is cornflakes. So this is really crunchy. I had the Kellogg's cornflakes. I crushed it, and this makes a really good coating. It coats really well. So keep going until you finish the whole thing. Dip it in egg. Dip it in cornflakes coating, sorry. As you can see, I've given different shapes. Some of them are round, some square, and this is my favorite. And this is for my sweetheart, my granddaughter. You can make heart shape. This goes in the fridge for half an hour before we could fry. You can also bake this or fry this. And you can also freeze them and put in a Ziploc bag to be used for some later time. So when you're in a rush and you want to eat it, you just take out the Ziploc, fry it, and you're ready for the snacks. So my oil is hot enough to go. So in the beginning, the flame should be high, but the chicken has to be cooked, so you can put it medium or slow depending on. You have to deep fry it. You can also bake it like I told you before. These are nice golden color, and I'm turning the sides. put it in low heat, very low heat, so the chicken is cooked from inside. Like I told you, you can keep it in the freezer unfried without frying it, or you can also fry it and put it in a plastic box like the Tupperware, so it can stay for a month. These nuggets are golden brown from both the sides, and it's ready to be taken out. So we take it out in we'll put paper towel so the excess oil is, we don't have the excess oil from the nuggets. The crispy, crunchy, easy weasy nuggets are ready to be served. So if you like these easy weasy nuggets, please subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon.